Edition trotters lined up for tonight's second race. Six-pack. Ron Gayton. And they're off. Audio charges out for the early lead. Maximan left well to the inside. And Supreme Day charges out from the center. The two 3-year-old fillies both together there. They're still caught wide as Maximan charges out along the inside. Supreme Day continues to sweep up. Audio decided to back off to tuck in third. It's a gap of 2 to Steffi S., the lone 2-year-old. She came away trotting in fourth, 3 lengths clear of Caribbean Dream, and the early treader is Andatorn Hall. A change of tactics tonight for that one as they pass by the opening quarter. 28 seconds. Supreme Day and Mark Winters are up to take the lead here. The 7-5 favorite is on the point. 4 lengths clear of Maximan, who was gapped off in second. Audio continues to track at this point from third. Steffi S. remains trotting at this point fourth in front of Caribbean Dream. Andatorn Hall, the trailer, about 10 lengths off the lead. And loose on the lead, still Supreme Day on top here. But now Audio moves to the outside for Gerald. Steffi S. follows that move as Maximan begins to tire. They trot past the half, 57 seconds even. 29 seconds in that second quarter. And it's Supreme Day who continues to show the way. Audio just in behind second. Steffi S. is third. Andatorn Hall now into fourth as Caribbean Dream moves into fifth. Maximan is completely pulled up now at the back as they trot midway around the far turn. Supreme Day still leading the way. Audio now out to take another shot as Steffi S. continues up on the outside. They trot past 3/4 and 128. Supreme Day turns for home with the lead. Steffi S. up on the outside, 3 wide. Audio is in between fillies, and Andatorn Hall moves up on the outside for Tetrick. They're now 4 across the track. As Audio is there in between trotters. Steffi S. up on the outside. Andatorn Hall back in third. It's Steffi S. or Audio as they come down to the finish. Audio fighting back along the pylon. Steffi S. is out in the center. Audio turns it up here to what it. Steffi S. finished second. Andatorn Hall third, 159 and 2.